Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss modules in Python programming. So let's get started. So module refers to a file containing Python statements and definitions. So a file containing Python code, for example hello.py, is called a module and its module name would be hello. A module allows you to logically organize your Python code. So we use modules to break down large programs into small, manageable and organized files. Furthermore, modules provide reusability of code. So we can define our most used functions in a module and import it instead of copying their definition into different programs. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss how to import modules in Python. So we can import the definitions inside a module to another module or the interactive interpreter in Python. So we use the import keyword to do this. To import our previously defined module, we type the following in the Python prompt. So import and module name. So this is the syntax to import modules in Python, and import is a keyword here. This does not enter the names of the function defined in the module directly in the current symbol table. It only enters the module name here. And using the module name, we can access the function using the dot operator. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss how to create modules in Python. So guys, we have defined a function add here, and this function takes two parameters and return their sum, and we have saved it as a hello.py. So this is the module hello. As I told you earlier, a file containing Python code is known as module. So this is the module hello. Now we are going to import this module into another file, and that is test.py. So how can we import this module into another file or module? Let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So now we can import this module hello by using this import keyword, and as I told you earlier that we can access the function name by using dot operator. So now we have accessed this function here by using this module. So now if I run this code, I will get the sum 300. So I hope it is clear to you. So guys, now moving on to next topic, and that is types of module. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, there are two types of module available in Python programming. First one is standard modules and second one is user defined module. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss standard modules. So standard modules are also known as built-in modules, and Python has a ton of standard modules available. You can check out the full list of Python standard modules and what they are for. These files are in the library directory inside the location where you have installed Python. So here is the example of a standard module, and the example of module is math. So we can import this standard module math by this syntax. So we will use import keyword to import the standard module. So guys, now moving on to next topic, and that is user defined modules. So this type of modules are defined by the user, so that's why these modules are known as user defined modules. So in the last example we have defined user defined module hello, and this is a syntax to import the user defined modules. And user defined modules can be imported the same way as we import our standard modules. So guys, now moving on to next topic, and that is how to import modules in Python. So let's open up the Sublime text and I will show you how to import modules in Python. So let's go ahead. So hello guys, we can import a module using import statement and access the definitions inside it using the dot operator. So I have written a program here, and in this statement I have imported this math module here, and this is a standard module, and now I am trying to find out the value of pi by using this standard module math. So now if I run this code, I will get the value of pi, and that is 3.1415 and so on. So I hope it is clear to you, And now moving on to next topic, and that is Python from import statement. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can import specific names from a module without importing the module as whole. So here is an example. So we have imported only pi from this math module, and now we can print the value of pi here. So now if I run this code, I will get the value of pi, and that is 3.1415 and so on. So now moving on to next topic, and that is import with renaming. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can import a module by renaming it, and here is the example of it. So now I have imported this math module as m, and now I am trying to find out the value of pi by using this renamed module. So now if I run this code, I will get the value of pi like this. So I hope it is clear to you. And now moving on to next topic, and that is import all names. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can import all definitions from a module using the following construct. So now I am importing all definitions from this standard module math. So now if I run this code, I will get the value of pi, and I hope it is clear to you. And now moving on to next topic, and that is Python module search path. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, while importing a module, Python looks at several places. Interpreter first looks for a built-in module, and if it is not found, then looks into a list of directories defined in system.path. And the search will follow a particular order. First it will look into the current directory, then it will look into the Python path, that is basically an environment variable with a list of directory, and then it will look into the installation dependent default factory. So now if I run this code, I will get the list of directories here, and I hope it is clear to you. And now moving on to next topic, and that is dir built-in function. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can use a dir function to find out names or definitions that are defined inside a module. So for example, we have defined a function add in the module hello that we had in the beginning, and now we are importing this module to this file, and now I am printing all the names or definitions that are defined inside this hello module. So now if I run this code, I will get the list of all the names or definitions defined in this module. Here we can see a sorted list of names or definitions along with the add function. So all other names that begin with an underscore are default Python attributes associated with the module. And now all the names defined in our current namespace can be found out using the dir function without any arguments. So let's add some variables and values to this program. So now I am adding let's say x equals to 10, and I'm using dir function and printing it. So now if I run this code, I will get all the names or definitions defined in this current namespace. So here we got the name of this module and the variable that we have defined in this file or module. So I hope it is clear to you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.